What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up brother MFC J4710DW printer or download and install driver. So first of all, open browser and search here printer. Now click on official website and here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver and here you can download a printer driver. After download a printer driver, then open a downloaded files and here you can install a printer driver. After download a printer driver, then go back and open settings and click on printer and scanner. Now click on add device and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps to add a printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.